up the Commerce necklace. You know, I did not do that. I wanted to show you the amazing world of potatoes. They're basically just like the best things ever invented. And they block my face. It's just so beautiful. I cannot let it go. Ooh. Oh, she stole my potato. It's the potato man. It's the potato man. Potatoes. Wonderfully amazing. Yeah. What brand is this? Happy Harvest Potatoes. Whole potatoes. Hold it still. Grade A fancy. Net weight 15 ounces. Please, go out and buy yourself some potatoes. And look at the nutrition facts for a while.